1 by 8 is 0.8. 2 by 8 is 16. The answer is 96. 1 by 3 is 0.3. 8 by 3 is 24. The answer is 54. 5 by 4 is 20. 3 by 4 is 12. The answer is 212. 5 by 6 is 30. 9 by 6 is 54. The answer is 354. 5 by 6 is 30. 4 by 6 is 24. The answer is 324. 2 by 9 is 18. 3 by 9 is 27. The answer is 207. 4 by 2 is 8. 7 by 2 is 14. The answer is 94. 4 by 2 is 8. 5 by 2 is 10. The answer is 90. 6 by 3 is 18. 3 by 3 is 9. The answer is 189. 7 by 5 is 35. 8 by 5 is 40. The answer is 390. 7 by 8 is 56. 7 by 8 is 56. The answer is 616. 7 by 9 is 63. 2 by 9 is 18. The answer is 648. 6 by 9 is 54. 3 by 9 is 27. The answer is 567. 8 by 3 is 24. 3 by 3 is 9. The answer is 249. 2 by 6 is 12. 9 by 6 is 54. The answer is 174.